these are the onions that have been chopped. So this is how we prepare chow in Mewari style. At first we are frying some onions. There are some tomatoes that also have been chopped. Some garlic and onion and tomatoes have been added. Now it's been fried. This is some masala.
Jira, yo khasani, yo jira, yo noon. अलिकति नुन प्याज हेर्नु यसमा राखेर ल्याऊ टेबलबाट
So this is the chopped mushroom, not the umbrella mushroom, the bigger one. Now it's being added.
언니 깎을래?
So we have added some water and it will be left to cook for 5 to 10 minutes.
Hả?
So our puma has finally cooked the mushroom in Mewar style. And it seems delicious. So the dish is finally prepared and it's ready to be served. The mushroom. Eta dekhao, eta dekhao. Okay. Okay. How does it taste?
Fantastic.
Okay.